What up? It's your boy Carlo. So today I'm gonna be doing my Vanguard brokerage account review and update. So starting off right over here, I have around $53,000 invested and a return of around $7,000. So rate of return 6.1%. That's pretty average, but definitely want to get it better, closer using the S&P 500 as an index, as a benchmark to measure my returns. So I'll definitely explain why my returns are much lower. But let's go over here to my holdings. Alrighty. Okay, so 1 second while it loads up, if it will load right there. So as you could see, I have way too many mutual funds and way too many ETFs. So the first thing that I plan to do with my account is to sell the ones that say in progress. So if you see right over here to the right side, the Vanguard International Dividend Appreciation. So this is an ETF right over here. International Emerging Markets right over here, as well as high international dividend yield. So all the ones that say in progress are ETFs. The main reason why I'm going to sell these ETFs is because there's a lot of fund overlap with my major one that I do want to keep. This one right over here, Vanguard International Growth Fund. So right here, so let's go over what it is. Just international growth, and the expense ratio is still pretty good, 0.45%. So I was comparing it to the Vanguard Total International Stock Market. So right over here, if it will show. Okay, 1 second, it's kind of slow. Right here, cancel. So comparing the total international stock index versus the one that I'm planning to keep, definitely the returns are much better and less drawdown, less risk compared to the total international stock market. So I'm planning to sell all my international ETFs right over here that says in progress. Secondly, what I did mess up on when making with my account is I put all the dividend and high income ETFs as well as mutual funds in a taxable account instead of a tax deferred. So the capital gains are definitely getting taxed at a higher rate. So I plan to organize this one. So right over here, the Vanguard Dividend High Yield Index. Definitely want to transfer this out to either a Roth IRA or IRA, as well as my Vanguard Wellington. So this one right over here is 2/3 stock, 1/3 bond. So definitely getting hit over here. So definitely need to really reorganize my account. And also the ETFs that I'm planning to sell, the International Dividend Appreciation as well as International High Dividend Yield. Should have put these two ETFs in a tax deferred account. So my game plan is to sell all of those and keep the only two ones I plan to keep is right here, Vanguard Growth Index Fund. So this one's definitely been doing really well. And this one right here is US equities. The next one that I do plan to keep as well, just to keep a balanced portfolio with US equities as well as international, is my International Growth Fund, which I was saying earlier is better than the total international stock index, as you could see in the back test portfolio, which is making almost $11,000 more. So the game plan for my for my account is to reorganize it, sell all the ETFs due to fund overlap, which I will have international right here, International Growth Fund, as well as US equities, my Vanguard Growth Fund. Everything else I plan to sell just to keep it a lot more simplified, a lot better, and more tax efficient. So drop any comments down below of what have you guys done first starting out when you were investing, and like mistakes that you did, mistakes that you've learned. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and I'll see you next time.